So we have a software platform called FutureproofedCities. It helps municipalities drive from climate change to climate action. And we do this because when we look at what is at stake to deal with climate change, which is arguably one of the most pressing problems that we're facing, we see that cities around the world are actually taking the lead. Many cities publish their climate plans, they regroup, they stand up against Trump and say we are going to follow the Paris Accord. And many of them actually sign, for instance, Covenant of Mayors, in which they commit to reduce a certain target in emissions. But when you ask them, did you sign this? They say yes. When you ask them, where are you at? Most of the cities have no clue about what their performance is. And so the challenge is, how can we help city administrators who are often alone, who reinvent the wheel, and don't have any money and resources, how can we help them move forward? And we developed a cloud-based software that does 4 things, really. Help administrators develop and focus on the action that save the most carbon and save the most money, monitor their progress, learn from their peers, from other cities, about what works and what doesn't, and then finally inform citizens about what they can do in their municipality or their city. This is briefly what it looks like. You can have an overview of your project, see how much money and carbon is being saved. You can have a financial return calculations made automatically. Compare with other neighboring cities about what works and what doesn't, and inform in a very simple way your citizens about how they can participate. This is the estimation of the market. It's a really huge market because all cities in the world start taking action. Realistically, we only aim for 1/3 of the cities who are signed up for Covenant of Mayors as our goal. The business model is really simple. It's software as a service, so there's no upfront costs. There's a range of fees between 250 and 2,000 euro per month that can be cancelled. No installations, no downloads, etc. And cities get up and running in 2 half days. So there's no long preparation, and they're continually guided by a small team, this is us, that both provides technical guidance and content guidance. Our growth is, we started in January of last year, and this is what it looks like. We have now 1 municipality out of 5 running in Flanders, and we're talking to 5 regions in Europe. We're extending our network. We have an open API, and I'm gonna wrap up with the last slide. We have 2 regions that we want to adopt by end of Q1 2019, and we are seeking funding through a combination of a loan, a grant, and venture capital. Thank you.